The Fisherman Wharf is located on the bank of the Shan River in Shunde with a nostalgic vibe. It is a very popular spot for people to take photos.
Hey Eleanor, do you know where we are now?
Sure, I know. We are in the Fisherman Wharf in Ronggui, Shunde.
It's so fantastic here. I can't wait to take a walk.
Okay, let's go.
The Fisherman's Wharf was the busiest food trade export in Ronggui, Shunde in 1960s. It's witnessed the thriving export trade in Shunde for the past few decades.
The long history can be seen from this rustic mottled ship anchor.
Blue and white color reveals a sense of romance and tranquility. It is definitely a hotspot to take photos. The walls are covered with interesting and colorful graffiti. They all can inspire your creativity when you are taking photos. Opposite the lighthouse is a creative garden. Look at these white architectures, shops. You may feel like you were traveling in Europe. When you walk along the bank of the Shan River, you can see that there are so many restaurants, cafes, and bars. The designs and the decorations in them may take you to the old days. In this cultural and creative shop, you can buy a lot of Shunde local specialties and craft here.
I think it's a good environment, very good view, so I like it. It's a good place for honeymoon anyway. Like I think they have a lot of things you want. It's amazing.
This place is a blend of modern art and industrial style of the last century. Whether dynamic or still, it looks equally gorgeous. Come here with your friends and families. You will have a good time.